Good morning, it's Tristan here for T2C Trading. Today I'd like to talk about the T2C Transition Trade. This is a trade that I use quite often and works very well in trending markets. I'd also like to introduce today how the trade and how the setup for the trade can help you identify tops and bottoms in the market. So first, let's revisit what the T2C Transition Trade is. First, we pick a time frame that we like. I like the 5-minute time frame. Then we put two fast exponential moving averages or two fast simple moving averages up on our chart. When we see price touch the fast moving average, we would be a buyer or a seller. Now this move happened before the news. I don't trade before the news and especially around market open. But after the news at 10 o'clock, we had a little bit of a blow off top here. Basically we had a blow off. We had the start here, flattened out, we had the news, and that was our blow-off. And then what happened after the blow-off? The market retraced and pushed down. What I'd like to do today is not necessarily talk about the T2. What I'd like to do today is not talk about the trade, but talk about how the setup for the trade can actually predict market tops and market bottoms. What I like to look for is a crossing of the two fast-moving averages. As we can see, we had a run up, market went flat, market pushed up again. Now it's on that second push that most traders will try and get in after they move, because what happens is they missed the first move, the market flattens, they don't know whether the market is going to reverse and go short or continue long, so they wait. Then they see the kickoff, the end bar, and what this does is this is the final frenzy. Now, what usually happens is once this large bar comes up, people say, yes, the market is finally long. So the final few traders, retail traders, come in after the institutionals. And what happens is we get a few extra bars right at the top. Today it was 2 bars, and that signals the top. So how can we capitalize on this, and where do we know when a top has been made? What I like to do is I actually like to watch my fast moving averages, and I like to see when they cross. As you can see, we made the top, the moving averages crossed here, and the market actually sold off. Now let's take a look back at what happened this morning. Market pushed up. Now as we can see here, the moving averages came together, but they didn't touch and they didn't cross. So what this means to me is that this is more of a pause in the market, and we're looking for another kickoff after. So this is also a great entry point to catch the kickoff, to catch this final top here, this big bar that comes rocketing up. So what we want to do is we want to use our moving averages, and we want to try, if we've missed this move, the market has paused, we want to try and get in here and not here where most retail traders get in. So again, throw some fast moving averages up on your chart and watch where they cross. Now that cross means generally that the market is in transition and the trend has changed. For T2C Trading, this is Tristan.